All right, so the last part of the test, you are going to have to study, or it's not study. I need you to practice doing your See Me Matters. At least 5 of the questions on the test are either, well, they're all document based. You know how we talked about that it could be a quote, or it could be a map, or it could be a picture. Document based questions, you have to look at the information in the quote, or the graph, or the map. The information that answers the question is in that document. The best way to prepare for that is to go over your See Me Matters. You had 4 See Me Matters for Industrialization Manchester. One was a quote by Elizabeth Gaskell. One was the life of William Cooper. One was the bullet points that showed you those short-term and long-term effects. And one was the growth of cities. What you should do is look at the information, understand what is important. When you're on the test, you should read the question first and figure out what the question is asking you. Then you look at the quote or the graph or the map, and you should talk to the text. Underline the words that you think would help you answer the question. If it's a map or if it's a picture, you might want to circle the most important information, and then in the margin on the side, write down what is the see portion. What is it that you see to help you answer the question? In addition to practicing your See Me Matters, I know that the questions that are asking about the quotes, the maps, the graphs, they're going to use key terms. So you want to make sure you're studying your key terms. There were 7 on pages 283 to 288. Industrial evolution, industrialization, enclosures, crop rotation, entrepreneur, factory. You want to make sure that you're studying these key terms. Also study urbanization, the growth of cities, and the movement into cities. So people moving into cities, and because of that, the city's just growing at a huge, huge rate. The middle class, and you need to know the difference between the middle class and the working class. And then finally you have stock and corporation. That was on pages 295 to 299. These words are going to be used in those questions. You will need to know what these words mean in order to answer the questions intelligently. So practice your See Me Matters, look over them. When you're at the test, read the question first and talk to the text. Talk to the text with the question, talk to the text with the quote. Even if it's not a quote, look at the map, circle the most important information, look at the graph, circle the most important information that's going to help you with answering the question. And know your key terms. The key terms are going to be used in those questions. Good luck on the test.